The fans on your iMac make a lot of noise even when you're doing light tasks. This usually happens when you replace the original disk with an SSD, or just another hard disk, because the location where you need to insert the temperature sensor is missing. To fix this problem, click on the link in the description. Then you have the choice between several versions, one for the latest versions of macOS, two for Windows, in case you have installed it on your Mac, and finally versions for old macOS. In my case I am under macOS Sierra, so I chose this version. Once the zip file has been downloaded, double-click on it. Then drag Mac's fan control into the Applications folder. Now open the folder, then double-click on the application. Then click on Open. As you can see, the fan, which depends on the hard drive, runs at an excessive speed compared to the others. In the HDD section, click on Custom, then on Sensor-Based Value and select your new disk. Now all you have to do is click OK. As you can see, the fan-related noise is now significantly reduced.